Hello guys, hello everyone. Now we are making a game slime one.
And show the slime. Look this. Now we are going to make this slime.
This really,
So let's open the box.
I am opening it.
We'll pour all the slime in this bowl.
Let's get out. Oh,
Now open this one also. Open the another one.
and we have blue. Blue is my brother's favorite color.
Wow. And which color is your favorite?
My favorite is red.
Red. Wow. Can like red color. And what about you guys? Please tell us.
Guys, now we are going to put a water and then mix. I am mixing the water. I love as a take. I am. Whoa! It's making yellow.
Yes.
Yellow plus blue makes green.
What? Now we're gonna make activator. For making activator, we have to take another bowl. So here it is. Now pour some water in the bowl. Here is the
I put
slime activator powder.
I am mixing right now.
And when I pour inside it, you have to mix very fast.
Oh, like this?
And pour some slowly. Mix very fast.
Oh, it's getting out.
After that, we'll mix this activator with the glue solution and it will become slime. That's it. Now keep aside this solution for half an hour.
I'm gonna mix activator in the glue. Let's do it. Daddy, I not need help. I will do by myself.
And mix it really faster. That's it.
I can mix with my hands. Leave it. I'm gonna mix with my hand.
Okay. Wow. You can mix it. Look.
It's so beautiful.
Oh wow. It's really nice. Mix it.
Now let's.
And you want to mix white also? Okay. Mix it.
We're having all of this.
Now mix it. Oh wow. It's great.
Wow! I am putting all of it. Wow! It's so. Wow! It's so beautiful. But I love this slime. It's the biggest slime I've ever seen. What is?
Wow.
And I got the biggest. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, baby! Going inside is really touchy. Oh my gosh, baby! Bye, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching our video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.